What's up, y'all? You know I love a good DIY video, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits of making your own magnesium spray. So if you don't know, magnesium spray is great for promoting better sleep, easing muscle soreness and pain, supports joint health, among other things. But did you know you can make it yourself? So all you're gonna need is a bag of magnesium flakes. I love micro ingredients because I use that for all of it. I don't have it with me. Anyways, let me not digress. But this huge bag was only, I don't even know, like 20 something dollars. And if you like essential oils, I prefer lemongrass or lavender. You can put a little drop of that into there too. So this is all you're gonna need. A measuring cup. I'm using my bartending one to pour the hot water into after I put it in the microwave, and some distilled water. So what you're going to do is pour your distilled water in here. Let's just say about a cup. Put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. It's the same amount of time that I put my cup of tea or my water in to make my tea. Once my water is done, I'm going to take it and pour it in my metal cup so I don't burn myself. And then I'm going to measure out my flakes into my cup. Now, mind you, it's equal parts water, and don't these look like glass? Like, that's how high quality this is. It's amazing. So then you pour it in. I'm going to take my wooden spoon and just stir it up. Stir, stir, stir until it's pretty much melted. Yeah, no more flakes. All melted. So wait till it's all cooled down before you drop your essential oils in there, if you decide that you want to drop them in there. And then you're going to pour it into your spray bottle so you have easy access to use it. Now, I never claimed to be a doctor. Not a doctor, never claimed to be one. But from what I hear tell, this also helps with your migraines if you put them on your temples. Who knows? It's just water and a little bit of flakes. So if it doesn't work, it won't do anything to you. How about that? But if it does, oh my God, a miracle has occurred. That's it for today. Like, follow, and share. And for more fun content like this, ciao, ciao.